So I just dug this 5.0 out of the weeds where it had been sitting, where all of this stuff got flooded. I tipped it over and look at all the water that came out. I'm willing to bet that it's probably seized. Aw, we broke the dipstick. Maybe. Ooh, we have the tractor. Let me see if I can get the fork on the flywheel and see if it'll rotate. Oh! Oh! It's turning the fan and everything. Okay, this might be worth our time. Oh, we're missing the bucket. We're missing the bucket. Stop missing the bucket. Ugh. There we go, all fresh and clean. Not really, but clean enough to where I can start stripping it. I'm gonna pull the exhaust off, all the small stuff off, obviously, the intake, the upper intake, the lower intake, everything. We're going to strip it down to a basic small block. Distributor will come out. I have one. I'm just going to leave the front accessories together for the moment because we don't need to tear that apart to make it to see if it has any compression. We don't need to tear that apart. So they always do this and it works. Like, come on. All right, will it work on a big block? Nope. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to do it the hard way. Alrighty, it is time to remove the lower intake. What will we find? Will it be a third nest of ants? We had distributor ants like Junkyard Jigs, but this will never run with this distributor. We had coolant ants, and they were all up in the hoses. E-O, do my eyes deceive me? Is this a roller motor? Not on the Afghan. Oh dear Lord, sweet baby Jesus. I'm going to be treating this thing with a little bit more care now.